The stolen wallet. Daniel is on a date. He is sitting with Carla in a restaurant. He doesn't know her very well. He met her on the internet. They only wrote to each other online. Now, they're sitting at a table. They're talking about life. He likes her. She is very friendly and very open. He likes her blue dress, too.
I like you, Carla. And I really like your blue dress.
I like you too. It's great to talk in person.
Suddenly, he has to go to the toilet.
Excuse me for a moment. I need to use the restroom.
When he comes back, Carla's chair is empty. There's a piece of paper on the table.
Dear Daniel, it was nice to meet you, but I must go now. You are a good man, and I am a bad woman.
Daniel sits down. He is sad. He stands up and checks his jacket on the back of the chair. He cannot find his wallet. Carla took his wallet. He finds another paper on the table. It's the bill. It's paid.
Maybe she isn't that bad.
He stands up and puts on his jacket. On the way out, he looks around on the street. He can see a woman in a blue dress. It's Carla. She is standing and waiting. He stops to watch her. He wants to know what she will do next. A car comes and stops next to Carla. There is a man inside. Carla sits into the car. Daniel writes down the number of the car. He gets into a taxi.
Follow that car, please.
After 10 minutes, the car stops. Carla gets out of the car. She is crying. The man gets out of the car, too. He takes her arm and holds it tightly. She wants to go away, but he doesn't let her.
I understand everything now. I feel sorry for her.
Daniel goes to the man.
I want my wallet back.
The man is surprised. He looks at Carla with anger in his eyes. He takes out Daniel's wallet from his pocket and throws it across the street. Daniel goes to pick up his wallet. He puts the wallet into his pocket. He looks across the street. The car is leaving. Carla is standing there looking at Daniel. Daniel walks away. He is no longer angry with Carla. He feels sorry for her.